Good morning, class UKG. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so children, this is your English period. Okay, this is your English period. So today we are going to read in phonics book. Okay, today we are going to read in phonics book. So take out your phonic book. This one. Okay, Happy Faces phonics book. Alright, now children, we have done till the page number 21. Okay, so open page number 22. Okay, page number 22, this one. So let's start, children. Today we are going to read sight words. Okay, SIGHT, sight, WORDS, words. Children, I have told you sight words are those words that they repeat again and again in the chapter. Okay, so now let's start. Read aloud the words. Okay, read aloud the words. Now let's start. Repeat after me. Okay, children. PLAYS, plays. PLAYS, plays. O and on. O and on. O and on. TO2. TO2. THE, the. THE, the. WITH, with. WITH, with. WEARS, wears. WEARS, wears. LIKES, likes. LIKES, likes. Okay, so now let's read the chapter, children. Okay, so reading is fun. Yes, exactly, reading is fun. So let's start, children. Okay, repeat after me. Okay, look at the picture and repeat after me. THE, the. THE, the. QUEEN, queen. QUEEN, queen. SITS, sits. SITS, sits. IN, in. THE, the. QUILT, quilt. QUILT, quilt. Full stop. The queen sits in the quilt. The queen sits in the quilt. Queen means Rani. Quilt means कंबल. Okay. So queen कंबल में बैठी हुई है. It means queen sits in the quilt means Rani queen quilt में बैठी हुई है. Okay, कंबल में बैठी हुई है. Look at the picture. Now, next, come to the next picture. Repeat after me. THE, the. KING, king. PLAYS, plays. WITH, with. THE, the. QUAIL, quell. Full stop. The king plays with the quill. The king plays with the quill. Full stop. King means Raja. Look at the picture. King means Raja. Plays, खेलता है with the quill. Quill is a bird. Okay. It is a type of a bird. Okay. Quill is a bird. So king quill के साथ खेलता है. Okay. Quill is a bird. Quill के साथ खेलता है. Next one. Come to the next picture. Repeat after me. THE, the. QUEEN, queen. WEARS, wears. RED, red. RING, ring. Full stop. The queen wears a red ring. Okay, look at the picture. Queen ने red color की ring पहनी है. Okay, queen ने red color की ring पहनी है. Alright, come to the next picture. THE, the. KING, king. LIKES, likes. TO2, SING, sing. Full stop. The king likes to sing. Look at the picture. द किंग इज सिंगिंग. ओके, राजा गाना गा रहा है. सो द किंग लाइक्स टू सिंग. राजा को, किंग को गाना गाना पसंद है. किंग को गाना गाना पसंद है. ओके, नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Children, you have to repeat at least 2 times. Okay, you have to read this chapter 2 times. Turn the page. All right. Now next one, children. BLENDS. Sorry. Blends. BL block. CL clock. Repeat after me. These are the bland words. BL block. CL clock. BL block, CL claw. Okay, B ball, L law. So blah, C claw, L law, claw, blah, claw. Now look at the pictures and read aloud the words. Children, you have to look the picture. आपको पिक्चर देखनी है and words को जोर से रिपीट करना है. Okay, रीड करना है. रीड अलाउड. blow, BL blow. BLOW, blow. Blow, O, W, blow. BLOW, blow. Blow. Okay, blow means fulana. Okay, balloon. Blow. Next is BLOCKS, blocks. Blocks. These are blocks. Next one, BLUE, blue. Blue. What is this? Which color is this? Blue. BLUE, blue. Next one, BLANKET, blanket. Blanket. BLANKET, blanket. Blanket means kambal. Okay, come to the next one. CL claw. CL claw. CLOWN, clown. CLOWN, clown. Clown means joker. Okay. CLAY, clay. CLAY, clay. Clay means mitti. Next one, CLOCK, clock. CLOCK, clock. Clock means ghadi. Okay. Next, CLOUD, cloud. CLOUD, cloud. Cloud means badal. Cloud means badal. Next one, CLIP, clip. CLIP, clip. Okay, it is a hair accessories. Okay, बालों में लगाते हैं ना, clip. CLIP, clip. So these are the bland words. blow, blocks, blue, blanket, clock, clown, cloud, clay, clip. Okay, now come to the next page, children. Read and write. Read, पढ़ो, and write, लिखो. पढ़ो और लिखो. Okay, now listen. Write a word for each picture to have the clown climb up and reach the blocks. Use the help box. Children, look at here. There is a help box. यहाँ पे एक help box भी है green color का. Okay. There are 5 words. उसमें क्या है? 5 words लिखे हैं. Okay. So children, you have to give help to clown. Alright. To reach the blocks. Okay. जो clown है ना, this is the clown. इसे blocks तक पहुँचना है. So you have to help him. आपको उनकी help करनी है. Okay. So now let's start one by one. Okay, there are some pictures and you have to write their name. Okay, write their name and read aloud their name. Okay, आपको उनके name जोर से reading करनी है. So first one, what is this, children? Look at the help box. Black, clock, blue, cloud, clip. Yes, clip. So you have to write here clip. CLI. Sorry for that. Children, you have to use only small cursive writing. Okay. CLIP, clip. Okay, this is the clip. Next step. What is this, children? Yes, cloud. So where is the spelling of cloud? This one. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Okay, come to the next one. Here it is. Which color is this? Blue. Yes, the spelling of blue is this one. B-L-U-E, blue. Next one, black. Yes, black. B-L-A-C-K, black. Next one, clock. Clock. C-L-O-C-K, clock. Alright, now read again the words. Say loudly, okay? C-L-O-C-K, clock. Clock. B-L-A-C-K, black. Black. B-L-U-E, blue. Blue. C-L-O-U-D, cloud. Cloud. C-L-I-P, clip. Clip. C-L-O-W, and clown. Clown. Okay? So children, this is your phonics book and blending words. Okay? So you have to read aloud these words. Alright? And do your work in your book. Okay? That's enough for today, children. Thank you so much.